Alright. Hi guys, Lego King here, bringing you the exterior view of the second model of set number 31081. This is the arcade. I chose to build this for two reasons. The first reason is I want to expand to it. I want to expand the back side and make it an actual back. And then two, I want to put it into my Lego City. So here it is. This is the official build. You can see, of course, you can see the exterior. Okay. So as you can see, you have a window which can open. What does open actually? So I say. Okay, so you can let out some fresh air inside the building in case of a fire. Okay, so that's always important. And you got, moving on, you got these two smaller windows. Now these these don't open, but they still are cool to look at, and they add some detail to the exterior. And then moving on to the front, to the to the other side. You have the main entrance. Okay, with your doormat right there. This is the doormat. This 2x4 light tan, like beige color, 2x4 tile. Okay. You can see a little bit in the inside. Okay. And then turn over here. You can see you have a brick built sign, which tells you that it is a arcade. Okay. That was pretty cool. Turn over here. This is your. Now if I have to say so myself, this is the coolest side. Because of this loading dock right here. You got the stairs. Okay. And this is your dock area. And then you got the main door, which can be opened just like so. Okay. And then you have a vent or a ventilation system up here. Okay. Alright, so you can close that, and you see like a little a plant or whatever this is supposed to be, but it's a 1x1 stud. Okay, sorry about that. And then you can see these texture profile bricks add some added detail. You can see this 2x4 printed brick. This is a printed brick. This is not a sticker. Okay, and now we are going into the interior now. Okay, and voila. Here you see you can have your interior. So we're just gonna cut this off due to time purposes, and we're gonna make another video. So thank you so much for watching this first part. Stay tuned for the second, and have a great day.